Hello everyone, my name is Priyajit Debnath and I am from Kolkata, West Bengal, and I am currently pursuing journalism and mass communication from UPES School of Modern Media. Being a student of School of Modern Media, I can clearly say that the faculties are well qualified and highly supportive. If you're facing any sort of problem such as being learning process, the faculties would come forward to help you with any other problem such as academic, practical sessions, lab sessions, and also in the studios. Our examinations are majorly based on practical learning, be it hands-on experiences, podcasting, studio recording, post-production. All this accumulates and goes through a continuous evaluation by the jury members. In a nutshell, I can say that the School of Modern Media at UPES gave a voice to my passion. From writing down poetry in a diary to reciting it in front of a mass audience, it's all because of UPES.